Let your child experience a summer filled with laughter, skill building, and unforgettable memories here at Young Fan Table Tennis Camp. We believe in more than just teaching the game. We're dedicated to fostering growth, confidence, and camaraderie in every camper. Imagine your child stepping onto the court, surrounded by peers eager to learn and grow together. Our camp isn't just about hitting balls across tables, it's about fostering a sense of teamwork, sportsmanship, and personal achievement. Through expert coaching and personalized attention, our campers develop their table tennis skills and essential life skills. From improving hand-eye coordination to enhancing focus and discipline, every aspect of our program is designed to empower your child both on and off the table. It's not all about the game, but also the connections made along the way. Our camp provides a supportive and inclusive environment where lifelong friendships are forged, creating memories that will last far beyond the summer months. Transform your child's summer into a dynamic blend of fun, fitness, and personal growth. Whether they're a beginner eager to learn the basics or a seasoned player looking to refine their technique, Young Fan Table Tennis Summer Camp offers something for everyone. Visit our website or call us now to learn more about our programs and to schedule a tour.